Hello friends, now release notes, accounting, tally, new project part 2, ledger. Introductions of ledgers. A ledger account is simply a statement of information on a particular head. Then it is the summary records of all the transactions relating to a particular person or property or income or expenses. It is the details of the amount debited and credited to a particular person or income or expenses during a given period. Now come to the another topic is what is a ledger in accounts. A ledger account contains a record of business transactions. It is a separate records within the general ledger that is assigned to a specific assets, liabilities, equity item, revenue type or expense type. Example of ledger accounts are cash account receivable. What is use of ledgers in tally? Classification of similar transactions under a particular head is known as ledger. Then here in tally ledger is an accounting head which is used to enter a transactions and also to identify the same in the reports. Cash account and profit and loss account are the two predefined ledgers available in tally. Now come to the another topic is how many types of ledger are there in tally. All accounts combined together make a ledger book. Predominantly there are three different types of ledgers: sales, purchase and general ledger. Then a ledger is also known as the principal book of accounts and it forms a permanent record of all business transaction. Now come to the another question is what are the types of ledgers? Sales ledgers records account receivable. This ledger consists of the financial transactions made by customers to the company. Second point, purchase ledgers records money spent for purchasing by the company. Then third point, general ledgers representing the five main accounts types: assets, liabilities, income, expense and capital. Another question is what is a general ledger? A general ledger is a bookkeeping ledger that is serves as a central repository for accounting data transferred from all subledgers like accounts payable, account receivable, cash management, fixed assets, purchasing and projects. Then another topic is how many types of general ledger are there? General ledger accounts are divided into five types of categories. The types includes assets, liabilities, income, expense and capitals. Then now come to the another topic is what is the difference between a journal and a ledger. The journal is a book where all the financial transactions are recorded for the first time. Then, when the transactions are entered in the journal, then they are posted into individual accounts known as ledger. The journal is a subsidiary book, whereas ledger is a principal book. Now come to the another topic is what is the difference between an account and a ledger. Account is a place where transactions are recorded. Then a ledger is a place where accounts are maintained. Now let's start. Another topic is what is a distributed ledger? A distributed ledger is a database that is consequently shared and synchronized across multiple sites, institutions, or geographics accessible by multiple people. Another topic is what is subsidiary ledgers? The subsidiary ledger is extremely useful in large business organizations where large number of credit sales are happening. Such business has to deals with sales of goods to customers, multiples payments from customers, sales returns, etc. Then